For Vehicle Application Guide PDF, see Product Information section below. Change tracks and answer, reject calls using the radio buttons. Automatic audio switching upon incoming call. Stereo 3.5 mm auxiliary audio input. 2.1 amp USB charging port. 14-pin connector. Top reviews from the United States. I put this in my wife's 2006 Honda Accord because the iPod AUX adapter cable installed by the previous owner had frayed and broken. Based on the instructions, I could have installed it either in the trunk or behind the radio, and I chose to put it behind the radio because I did not feel like running the microphone for the hand-free calling all the way throughout the car. I found a nice spot underneath the shifter to tuck the box, and so far I have had no problems. I've been really impressed with how well the box works. I also installed a USB AUX extension adapter to make use of the AUX input and charging function, and those work well, although the charging output is a little low for today's phones. Overall, the install took the better part of an afternoon, and I would only recommend those comfortable with removing a radio attempt this, because I did have to remove quite a bit of the interior in order to get this all put together. We will see how the longevity of the device is. I did see the other reviews that cautioned that USA Spec will not honor warranties on products purchased from Amazon because they are not an authorized distributor, but the price on Amazon at the time was low enough to buy two for a lower cost than from an authorized dealer. I got a square trade warranty on the box, so hopefully that can cover any defects.